Hello and welcome to today's Travel Trader series, and it's day number 91. And if you have a look at the markets, you might have noticed that we crashed down and now that we came back. And if you follow this series, I keep telling people that, okay, we're going down a little bit, but I don't think that we have finished on dropping yet. And if you have a look at it, it looks like markets are kind of on a turning point, going sideways, and today, after we started positive, we started to come back down, and the more news and forecasts we will get, the more people will be negatively biased from the last drop, plus economic data and economic forecasts are not looking really good, so the probability that we turn down again gets bigger and bigger each day. And as it looks at the moment, we might be already at the turning point, so I personally will get ready to make some more money on the downside, and I think the chances are way bigger at the moment that we go down and retest the old lows than that we are going up for new heights. Just wanted to mention that early so you get a heads up and you can follow it. Otherwise, let's talk about our trades. So the first thing that happened today is I closed the sugar trade as we turned there as well. So I closed it with a loss of €440, which is okay, not too pleasant, but that's all right. We had a nice chance in it, and if it would turn around, we might re-enter it and make our money back. Other trades are silver. Silver is currently up €67, so just small in the profit. We are still waiting for it to drop down, so it's very likely that when the markets turn down as well, that our silver position will gain some traction as well, and we might make a lot of money in this trade as well. The next one that is still open is our rice position. So we are kind of coming back. I already put in a protective stop loss order, so whatever happens, we will earn €380 anyway. Currently down a little bit, so we're only at plus €570, and that's very similar to what we are down in oil currently. Oil, our position, where we think over the next weeks we are going to go up higher again, so everything is fine. They kind of balance each other out at the moment. Silver slightly in the plus. Another trade that I get in pretty late today is a breakout in copper. I think that there is a chance that copper prices are going up. So far it didn't yet work out. Was one of these automatic trades where I got in without actually watching it or actively doing it, just because of these breakout scenarios. So we got to watch it very, very carefully, especially as markets are turning, or when we are turning. That will affect the copper price as well. So far it looks like we might break out to the top, but if that doesn't happen, we might enter the position pretty early tomorrow morning when we see that, okay, it's a false signal, or we're not breaking out, we're going down. We just will exit the position with a small loss. Currently we are down €130, so let's see what happens. Either way, if you would lose in this trade, we are likely to win in other trades that are going down, so that's pretty fine. Yeah, that's the current trades that are open. We have another 2 or 3 trades that I would like to enter very soon, but we gotta watch the markets carefully, trade what we see, and what we see is looking like a turning point coming up. Thank you very much for watching. Wherever you are, I wish you a very pleasant evening. I hope very soon we can get back to our index trading when I'm out of quarantine and back at home. And then we will have a little bit more to talk about things that are going on in the market, and we will be able to make some more money. So thank you very much. Have a great evening and goodbye.